Hey everybody, this is Vinny with GeoSoftware, and today I want to show you how to auto-populate latitude and longitude function in Excel. So as all of our tools, it is built in Excel. What we're trying to do is to generate latitude, longitude, and in this case we're also generating altitude for a list of addresses. Now, first of all, let's kind of talk about how does it do it. So the way the tool works is it will go automatically, you don't have to do anything, and will look up these addresses from Google Maps using the Google Maps API, and will populate the latitude, longitude, and the altitude directly into the spreadsheet. There is no software to install, as all of our tools are built in Excel. There is no programming needed. You don't need to write any code. All of the code is self-contained macro inside this tool, and all you got to do is paste the data and click on this conveniently located generate button, and the tool will do the rest. As you can see, the latitude and the longitude and the altitude, also known as geocodes of each one of these addresses, are populated. One last thing I want to talk about is what kind of addresses you can use. The tool is extremely forgiving, and you can use anything from full addresses. In this case, we have some addresses in beautiful California. You can use cities and states, you can use zip codes, or you can use partial addresses. The tool is extremely forgiving. You can download the tool by going into the link into the description, and you'll also find my contact information there, my phone and my email address. If there is anything I can help you with, whether with this tool or any other tools that I can build for you in Excel, please don't hesitate to contact me. Yes, I do answer the phone. Until next time, this is Vinny, and have a great day.